There's the Tonopah Cemetery. Wow. It looks like it's pretty aged. A lot of stuff down there. We might go check it out if they let us. Oh, I guess you can right here. Let's see. Wow, there's so many. See if you could read some of them. Died June 26, 1905, heart attack. Born in Ireland. Here's a real nice one for here. John L. Day, 1892. They must have updated it. Yeah, because here's his original one. John Lewis Day. Very cool. Harry Fields. Frank McGuire. I want to go up here to the hill and see what's up on the hill. Oh, here's some little babies. These are all kids over here. That's sad. Norman Combs, U.S. Army, World War II. Died August 20, 1996. God bless you for your service. I like the flag. God bless America flag. Let's see what this one is with the purple glass on it. Oh, another baby. Very sad now. Fulton, gunshot wound at Silverbow by a friend during an argument. From New York City. That's a very nice stone right there. Pretty. Let's see what this one is. Mary J., wife of M.J. Gurley, died August 1905, 25 years old. Recipient 2011 Medal of Valor and Purple Heart, Nye County Sheriff's Office. Oh, wow. Wow. Thank you for your service, man. Let me see if I can zoom in on this Nye County thing here. There you go. Another veteran. Look at this, veteran, Civil War infantry. Thank you for your service. It's a fairly big graveyard. Let's see what this one is. These were set off to the side, covered with rocks, and another one in an iron gate. So let's see. Linden, Thomas P. Linden, age 11. Gunshot wound, Colorado. Oh, that's sad, man. Hannah Linden, died March 10th or March 6, 1910, 43. And this one is Dayton O. Coleman, 1905, age 58, native of Iowa. Well, they picked a great place to bury you guys, man. It's really beautiful out here. A lot of gunshot wounds, it says. Well, here's one, Frank Berner, 1904, from typhoid fever. Come here, Yuki. Get over here. Pneumonia. That's sad. Died of a heart attack in front of the library, was driving an express wagon. Let's see what this one says. Sorry. Sam Merton. Mine accident, crushed between mine cage and side of shaft. Wow. James Burns died 1910, age 26 years. It's a nice stone. I like how they went beyond the wooden posts and actually put these metal plates on there with their names and stuff. Yuki, where are you? Well, there you are. Don't run off. Here's an updated one, but it's cool though. I like this with the purple glass. They seem to put like a lot of stuff about what happened to him also back then. Like this one, pneumonia. This one, appendicitis. Unknown illness. Huh. Interesting. Okay, let's get out of here. Here's another veteran. Let's see. Served from Pennsylvania, died in 1908 from asthma in the Civil War. Thank you very much for your service, Dennis Gallagher. Right on, man.